Hey guys, welcome to your fifth C++ tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you about the if statement. Now what the if statement is that it allows your program to make very simple decisions for itself. So I'm going to go about and show you how we write the if statement. So we write if, and we give parenthesis, and this is where we test our condition, and this is where we enter the body of the if statement. So like, let's just tell it to print out something like hello all. So what the computer does is, the if statement, when it reaches here, it checks the condition, and if the condition is true, then it will run whatever is written in between these two curly braces. So suppose we give it a condition. Let's just test it out. We'll give it a condition 9 greater than 8. So is 9 greater than 8? So yes, it's true. So when we run it, it will print out hello all. So let's just run it. So you see it prints out hello all. What if we give it 9 greater than 10? So this is false. So when we run the program, it doesn't give out any output. See? So this is how the if statement works. Now I'm going to show you some more sets of conditions. So there's the greater than, there's the less than, there's the less than. So is 9 less than 10? Yes, it's true. Then it will print out hello all. See? And then we have the greater than equal to. So if we check 9 greater than 9, no, it's not true. 9 is equal to 9, so it will not print out anything. So for that, we have the 9 greater than equal to 9, so that it will check if 9 is equal to or greater than this value, which is 9 in this case. So if we run this, then we see that it shows hello all. Similarly, we can do 9 less than equal to 9, and it will give the same output. Yeah, so it will give you the same output. These are the relational operators. And then suppose you want to check the equality. Is 9 just equal to 9? Not greater than, not less than, just equal to. So for that, we give two equal to signs. Now this is very important. Most people make a common mistake of leaving just one equal to sign. You have to leave two equal to signs, because what C++ understands by just one equal to sign, it understands that you're giving a variable a value. So you're assigning the value 9 equal to 9, and if you just give it one equal to sign. But if you give it another equal to sign, it will check whether or not the two values are equal. So this is for equality, and this is for assigning the value. So whenever you want to check a value is equal to some other value, you have to make sure not to give just one single equal to, otherwise you'll get errors. You have to give another equal to sign. So it will check is 9 equal to 9, equal to 9. So here it shows out it is equal, so it will print out hello all again. And then you have the not equal to, and that is you give an exclamation mark and an equal to sign. So it will check if 9 is not equal to 9, or in other words, is it any other value other than 9? It isn't, it's only 9, so it will not give out any output. And suppose we give 10 not equal to 9, which is true, it's not giving any output, so it will print out hello all. Suppose we don't give any condition in the if statement. Suppose we just leave it empty. Then when you run it, you'll get an error, because the if statement requires a condition. Suppose you just give it the value of 0. Then see what happens. When you give the value of 0, what happens is, computers understand binary language. 0 in binary language means false, while 1 means true. So when we give if 0, then it will not print out anything. But if we print out if 1, just 1, and see, it will print out hello all. So what we can understand from this is that when we print out 9 equal to 9, since the condition is true, it is actually the same as writing just 1. Or if we give 9 less than equal to say 3, this is false. So in this can also be just written as 0. What this means is that this statement gives you a final value of 0 because it's all false. And now it's important to note that usually programmers don't just input any number for a condition. Usually they use variables, so like int x equal to 98 and int y equal to 43, and they'll check if x less than y, which is false, so it will not print out anything. So this is usually how programmers use the if statement. We don't just input any numbers, we input variables and the condition. Okay, so now we can move on. If statement has a few extensions, that is, you can write the if statement in other ways. So if let's just show you, I'll just show you something. X less than y, okay, so it will print out this, right? But what if we wanted to print out something even if this condition is false, we wanted to print out something. So for that we use the else statement. It has to be paired with an if statement. So if x less than y, then the body of the if statement, and if this is false, then it will check this. Then else statement does not have any condition. It will only print out a value. So what do you want to do? You want to print out the condition is false. So yeah, it will. So what we'll do here is, if we run the program, it checks if x less than y. This is false, so hello all will not get printed. But now since this condition is false, it will run this. See, the condition is false, so this is what we get over here. Condition is false, and we see that no, there's never any condition given with else statement. It is like the default thing that your computer will do if this condition is false. Now another thing you can do is else. There's something called the else if ladder. So that combines if, else, and else if. That means that now we can give our computer multiple conditions in one in one if statement. So else if x less than y, it will print out this. But if x greater than y, it will print out this. And else it will print out, let's say, just a series of dots. So let's just put it like that for now. So greater than y, so it will check this. So now x equal to 98, y equal to 43, x less than y, so this is false, so it will go to the else if and check if this condition is true, x greater than y. Now this condition is true, so it will run this statement and it will skip everything else. So let's just run this and I'll show you. Yeah, it shows the condition is false, so that's okay. And suppose we give the value of y also 98 and then we run it, then you see that it will just print out a series of dots, because none of these conditions are true. It will just print out the dots. So that's all I have for you in this tutorial, and subscribe for keeping in touch with more of my videos, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.